The USA in your Chevrolet. America's asking you to call.
Well, this is Vivian. Vivian, my new project. She needs a bath, and she needs a new rear tire, and possibly a new rear bearing. We'll see. She is a 61 Chevy Corvair Lakewood station wagon, and she needs some assembly and some maintenance things dealt with. But first of all, she needs a bath. Back in the 80s, a member of the Baltimore Corvair Club had a silver Corvair Lakewood, and he came upon a blue and white one that had a really nice interior and some other nice pieces. So he decided he would buy it, strip it, and repaint his silver one to the same color scheme, and then reinstall all this nice stuff, which included tinted glass and good condition seats and so forth. So he again stripped his silver one, took it to a painter who put the paint job on it that you see, and then it sat in his garage until I liberated it a few weeks ago. Quick story on the engine. It is a late model 110 horsepower car engine, so it does not have the ability to check and fill the oil through the rear fold down panel, but that's okay. It's the most desirable daily driver engine. Good torque, and the lower compression allows it to run on regular pump gas. As I mentioned, it came with all of the parts plus some, so the parts from his silver one as well as the nicer parts from the blue one. So as you can see here, bins of stuff, the door panels, the nicely covered seat is shown here as well. Alright, as we take one more quick look around the car, I'll let you know that I'm going to be making a series of videos covering my reassembly of this vehicle and getting it back on the road. So stay tuned, subscribe, hit the notification button.
Drive your Chevrolet through the USA. America's the greatest land of all.